Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to HiTest channel. Now when we prepare for semester exams, it is usually for a period of over 1 or maximum of 2 months. But when you prepare for competitive examinations, things are going to be different. You have to stay focused, you have to study and work hard for a longer duration of time. Now this is something that bothers all students. In fact, it bothered me as well when I was preparing. How do you ensure that you keep your preparation at a certain energy level all through the time? Because it's a pretty long time. I recommend 5 tips that I'm going to share with you, and these are the tips that I have seen through the years, not just for competitive exams. It will work for any kind of hard work that you have set out in your lives. The very first one is that you have to enjoy the process. This is the end goal. You have to get a rank. That is the end goal. But then, are you able to enjoy the work that is required to do each and every day in order to reach that end goal, right? So you need to ensure that whatever is that particular aspect of the preparation that you love, you have to focus on that. For example, when I was preparing, I know that I loved solving problems. Whenever I solve a problem and I get the right answer, it really makes me very happy. So I used to enjoy that process. I used to solve more problems so that it gave me that enjoyment. You can search out for your own thing. What if you are a person who likes reading new things, who likes learning new things, right? So you can focus on reading some textbooks which will give you information in new ways. This is how you have to basically find out which part of the preparation you really love and just savor that part. This is the first tip. Now the second tip is you have to ensure to take regular breaks. Now a lot of coaching institutes might make you feel like you have to talk or you have to study all of the time, no breaks in between, no holidays in between. Don't ever listen to that. You need to take holiday weekly once at least, but again it will depend on yourself. You feel like 2 days is better for you, take 2 days, but ensure that you are taking a break. This is my second tip. And the third tip is that you have to find out some mindfulness practice. It might be in the form of meditation, it might be in the form of yoga, it might be even just breathing exercises or exercise in general, or playing, or just going out for a walk in the nature. This kind of practices basically train your mind, they calm your mind, and especially during preparation where you're filled with anxiety and frustration maybe, it will really help you. So this is my third tip. And the fourth tip is good sleep. Sleep properly, and if possible, sleep early and wake up fast. But I know that a lot of you might be more comfortable studying late at night, so I wouldn't really recommend changing your sleeping times, but just ensure that you are sleeping for 7 to 9 hours. Now the fifth tip is good food nutrition. Refrain from taking junk food. You will not realize how much it's actually affecting you, but junk food is one of the major things that is going to affect your concentration, your energy levels, and a lot more things. So refrain from junk food. Try to eat as much healthy food as possible, and even if you are attending some party or somehow you end up eating junk food, then make sure that you are compensating that with some healthy, nutritious food at right times. These are the 5 tips that I promise will increase or enhance your entire preparation journey. Not only will you be closer to your goal, you will also feel like this 1 year or 2 years, whatever it is, you are not losing out your life.